If you haven't activated Ecwid's Facebook Shop feature, you may be leaving money on the table. Ecwid merchants see a 15% average increase in their revenue when they activate this awesome feature. It only takes a couple minutes to open your omni-channel Facebook store and start selling on tablets and mobile phones through your Facebook business page. Each and every sale will be synced to your Ecwid control panel. Reach more customers and allow them to shop through your Facebook business page simply by activating your Ecwid Facebook store today. Here's how to start selling on Facebook. Open your Ecwid control panel. Under Sales Channels, click on Sell on Facebook and click on Connect Facebook Page. Log into your Facebook profile and select the business page where you would like to add your Facebook shop. Then click Save. Accept the Facebook Merchant Commerce terms. Your Ecwid store will then sync to a new Facebook tab. Your store is now connected to Facebook. Click on Visit Facebook Shop and check out your new Facebook shop. It's as easy as that to get selling on Facebook with Ecwid. Now you can sell your products on your Facebook business page, not only on desktop, but also on mobile and tablets. Here's a couple takeaway tips and new features you and your customers may also love. You can tag products in your photos when posting to your Facebook feed. The embedded product link will send your customers directly to your product in your store if they click on it. You can also share your product catalog by clicking on the Share Collection button. Share individual products on Facebook from within your shop by clicking on the Share button. And don't forget to tell your customers about the new Subscribe button in the Shop section that notifies your followers when you add new products to your store. Learn more about requirements when creating your Facebook shop in the link in the description. Don't leave potential revenue on the table. Activate your Ecwid Facebook store today.